Hi everybody, Big Jim here. Today we're going to make those pickled sausages. I think I seen them by the name of Bahama Mamas and Firecrackers. And today we're going to make them out of hot dogs I bought at Walmart, 88 cents a pack, Bar S Franks, and 8 in a package. And to do that, we're going to need some vinegar and some crushed red pepper. And okay, to the hot dogs, we're also going to need some crushed red pepper flakes. You don't need this many, but I just buy them in bulk. And some hot sauce of your choice. You could add red food coloring too if you'd like. I don't have any and I'm not doing it. We're using this Mexican hot sauce. And you're going to need 3 wide-mouth mason jars and 6 cups of apple cider vinegar, or we're using white distilled vinegar, 5%. Now you might want to do this outside on your barbecue grill, or in a well-vented area. Because once you get this vinegar hot and the crushed red peppers and hot sauce and stuff, it's like pepper spray ventilating through your house. So I'm going to give you a fair warning. I'm doing mine in my kitchen because I'm brave. So we got 6 cups of vinegar in the pot. We got the pot heating up on high. And we have our crushed red pepper here. Now I got all 4 packages of my hot dogs spaced out between 3 wide mouth jars. They're standing up in there. So to our jars, we're going to add each a tablespoon of red pepper flakes right to the jar. You don't want to boil that with your vinegar. Like I said, it's like hot pepper gas going through the house. This is a safer way to do it. We're going to pour hot vinegar over the hot dogs. The hot sauce, I'm just putting in, I don't know, a couple shakes like that. Maybe a teaspoonful each. And then we'll set these to the side. Now you can make pickled eggs like this too if you want. They come out pretty good. We're going to put this back on the burner on high and cover the lid. Okay, now we got the vinegar boiling. Be careful, like I said, breathing in the vinegar. It'll choke you out. I'm going to use this to catch my mess and keep from burning up my, maybe breaking my jars here. So now you pour the hot vinegar over top to fill the jar so they cover. Now these jars may seal like this, but that's not our intention. You can't trust it. You can't assume it's going to preserve your food, because it's not. They are pickled, but I'm going to refrigerate, and I recommend you refrigerate them until you're done eating them all. They need to set like pickled eggs for probably a good week in the refrigerator before they're right. Down south they sell a hot dog, I think, called Frank's Reds or something. They're red colored hot dogs. They look a lot better and more traditional if you use them. Now I'm going to leave mine on the counter until they cool for a few hours. And then I'm going to put them in my refrigerator. I actually have a couple tablespoons of vinegar left over. The way I measured out the vinegar is I filled my jars with hot dogs and then filled them and covered them with vinegar, and then I dumped the vinegar into a measuring cup so I knew how much vinegar to use. And there you have it. Give them a week in the refrigerator after they cool down. Nice cold suds to go with it. Tastes real good. Till next time, please like, subscribe, and keep looking out for more great videos like this from Big Jim Country Boy.